Now, on the 27th of October 2014, South Africa wakes up and got informed of the tragic news of the passing of the deceased in this case, who was South Africa's #1 soccer goalkeeper then, that is Senzo Meyiwa.
Actually, the umeli ke ngelanga le-27 ngenyanga ka-October ngonyaka ka-2014 abantu lana ke ezingana ke eNingizimu Afrika ke bavuka ke bese bezwa ke indaba zokuthi khona ke umdlali webhola ke oseke ashiyeka Adv ke emapalini futhi athi umdlali odumile eNingizimu Afrika.
Do you understand?
Futhi yona isona sibhideso esinaso lana phambi kwenkampani. Yabuzwa yini lo? Yes, I do understand.
Now, as per information that started to trickle in then, it was that his passing occurred on the 26th of October 2014, just about the beginning of the evening. Thank you. Now I've said this was just an interlude. Thank you.
You want to sit down?
No, madam, not now.
Thank you. Now, subsequent to this incident, a team of highly experienced investigating officers was assembled to start an investigation as to what could have happened, which resulted in the arrest of Mr. Zamoguhle Innocent Mbata 3 or 4 days, actually 5 or 6 days after this tragic incident. Now, after his arrest, investigation proceeded, but again, 2 or 3 weeks thereafter, the National Prosecuting Authority decided to withdraw charges against him because of the fact that it was an error of a mistaken identity. In other words, his arrest was based off an error of a mistaken identity. They said, no, it's not him.
But
now, I don't know what is happening with Mr. Innocent Zamoguhle Mbata, but fast forward, the team of investigators from the South African Police Services then proceeded to do further investigations. And then in 2019, you got detained, or you got detained for questioning, not so? We will come to that in detail. I've just said it is just an interlude. After 2019, investigation, after that questioning, and you will tell us what subsequently happened there too, but in subsequent to that questioning, detention and questioning, in 2020, you got arrested on the 30th of May 2020. You got arrested by now a team of investigating officers that was led by Brigadier Kiminda, not so, as we now know.
futhi sokuthi masasibuye ngoba sesikhuluma nabantu kukho lolo daba lolo-ke kepha bagcina-ke ngelanga lake-30 zakaMeyi ngonyaka ka-2020 kulawa moshwa khona-ke futhi oshwa-ke ithimu labaseshi lecala leli ithimu labaseshi lecala leli kade baholwa-ke uyena kubaba futhi yagcina. Yes.
Yes, and there were activities, and we'll come back to that again. There were activities that they conducted with you on the 31st of May 2020 and the 5th of June 2020. Is that not so? We'll come to those activities. Thank you. Subsequent to that investigation, or those activities, subsequent to them, then you ultimately got charged with being involved in the killing of the deceased in this case, and your first date of appearance at the magistrate court was on the 27th of October 2020, not so? And then the matter was then postponed. Certain things happened at court. The matter was postponed. You had a second appearance on the 27th of November 2020, not so?
That is so.
Your third appearance at the magistrate court, where the case was then subsequently transferred to the High Court, was on the 5th of March 2021.
That is so.
Thank you. Just a second for me. Now, you appeared at the High Court here before the Honorable Judge Maumela, and there were certain issues which necessitated the discontinuation of the matter before him, and then you came and appeared for the first time before this court on the 18th of July 2023, wherein you were then requested to plead to the charge that the state preferred against you, not so?
That is so.
Thank you. That is just briefly, it could be that it wasn't for the first time that you appeared before the court on the 18th, before this honorable court on the 18th of July 2023. You might have appeared before this court on the previous date, but the date on which you requested to plead to the charges that you're facing was on the 18th of July 2023. It's just that I'm trying to correct myself there. Thank you. Now, let's get to what you are supposed to be doing. The first day of your appearance at Boksburg Magistrate Court, is it correct that you appeared alongside the other gentlemen that are seated to the accused or as your co-accused, not so?
Actually, ngana lapho uqala uqhamuka ngaphambi kokusenkantolo yase-Boksburg Magistrate Court ngabe kade uqhamuka nabanye futhi abanobuzwana laba abahlala ngaphambi nabo ngaphambi kokusenkantolo I appeared together with them.
Thank you. And that is also the...
As you say, he did not appear together with them.
He appeared together with them.
What you're saying is,
Now, which is what comes
come here now.
Come here now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. And this will be the day on which the provisional indictment was also read to you as well, not so? In other words, where the charges that you are arrested for were also read to you, not so? That is the 27th of October 2020.
Athi asinjalo ukuthi ngelanga lange-27 ngenyanga ka-October ngenyanga 2020 ngesikhathi lesi kade kuqhamba ngaso ngaphambi kosenkantolo yalaphana ke-Boksburg Magistrate Court ukuthi kade befunda-ke ikhasi lelana bantu amacala kade bemthwesana nakusenjalo yini banifundela kade bemthwesana laphaya.
Thank you.
That is so.
It was brought to your attention that the matter was not being tried by then, but this was just to inform you of the charges that the state had leveled against you, so that then you could start to prepare your case about the allegations that you would have faced at the High Court as it happened on the 23rd of, on the 18th of July 2023.
Athi ngesikhathi kade ngiqhamuka lapha ngaphambi kokusenkantolo yaselapha e-Boksburg Magistrate Court ukuthi bengingayikho kwicala leli, kepha kade ngiyakhona-ke thizeni nizwe ukuthi yibaphi amacala bengithwesa wona-ke bese-ke icala elikade lizokhulula ngaphambi kokusenkantolo-ke elaqalelana nge-18 kaJulayi 2024. That is so.
Thank you. Now, when you appeared at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020, which was the first day on which you appeared, you said you appeared alongside the gentlemen who are also seated at the accused dock there. That would be Mr. Ntanzi, Mr. Nyube, Mr. Mapisa, and Mr. Ntuli, not so?
Bathi ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October ngonyaka ka-2020 ngesikhathi lesi kade kuhamba ngaso ngaphambi kokusenkantolo yalaphana ke manje e-Boksburg Magistrate Court ukhumbule khona nje ukuthi uqhamuke nabasola abakhona ngaphambi kokusenkantolo umnumzana Ntanzi, umnumzana Ncube, umnumzana uMaphisa futhi umnumzana Ntuli nakade nasenjalo yini. That is so.
Now, thank you. When you appeared alongside them, were you seeing them for the first time in your life?
Bathi ngesikhathi lesi kade kuhamba nabo ngaphambi kokusenkantolo ngabe kade uqala ngathizeni ubabone ukunyaka noma usele wabona ngaphandle?
Or there are those that you had seen before and you knew them?
Noma kade khona abanye babo kade ubazi futhi sele wabona ngaphambi ukuthi mkhambe ngaphambi kokusenkantolo?
Abathathu ngamazi, uMntanzi ngamazi, uMapisa ngamazi, uNtuli ngamazi, ngamazi nje
I do know 3 of them. I know Ntanzi, Mapisa, and Ntuli. The only person whom I met for the first time on that day, it was Mr. Nyube.
Thank you. Now, can you briefly explain to these courts? You said you knew Mr. Ntanzi, you knew Mr. Mapisa, and you knew Mr. Ntuli. How did you know them?
Ngicela ukuthi usho ukuthi ukuthi lawo ukuthi uyabazi umnumzana Ntanzi, umnumzana uMaphisa futhi umnumzana Ntuli ngabe kade ubazi kanjani?
uNtanzi isigodi sangakithi nesangabo zisondelene hayi kakhulu, so abafana abangale siyabazi nabo bayasazi
I know Ntanzi from back at home. our villages, they are not far apart from each other, and we do know the boys from our village, they know the boys from his village, and the boys from his village, they also know the boys from our village.
Thank you.
Umapisa wangasekhawuma nakulanza nawubobama. Umapisa wangubobama.
Mapisa, he's from my maternal side, where my mother was born.
So maniye ubobama umbona Mapisa.
So whenever I will be sitting at my mother's side, I would see Mapisa.
Thank you.
Umntulu ngakubobama lokhu umndeni wakho uhlukene umndeni wakhe uthe ukuqhela kunala ekhawuma ebenzalwa.
And then Antuli, he's from my maternal side, however from a distance.
Well, what is that supposed to mean? Are you saying that in Tuli, in one of the many ways, through our African ways of